today we have something really exciting for you, the Oneplus Buds 3. They were launched in India at a price of 5,499 rupees. However, with the cards offer as well as the Red Club membership discount, you can probably get them for 4,200. And for that price tag, it offers some really premium features like active noise cancellation, volume slider buttons, support for LHDC codec, and some more. While it does look real value for money on paper, how does it compare in a real life scenarios? Let's find out in this review of OnePlus Buds 3. First, let's do unboxing to find out what we have inside the box. This is how earbud case looks from the outside. Honestly, it's really well built and looks really premium. It looks even more gorgeous when you open up the box and look at the earbuds. Earbuds themselves also look fantastic from all the angles. Pairing process is really simple. You just need to hold this button until white light pops off. Now you need to go into Bluetooth setting of your device and click on OnePlus Buds 3. It will connect up really quickly. One of the really cool feature of these buds are the volume slider buttons. You can scroll up and down on them to change the volume, and it works really smoothly. OnePlus Buds 3 also come with lots of customization options. You can go into the settings to change these functions. You can even customize gestures on your earbud. For example, you can set single tap for a play and pause and double tap for next and previous. Speaking of comfort, they are extremely comfortable. You won't even notice that earbuds are sitting in your ear. And those volume sliders work really well even when they are in your ear. One of the biggest concern among the earbuds user is that what if my earbuds falls off? So I did some testing by shaking my head very rapidly, and as you can see, they stayed in my ear without any problem. As per the audio quality, I am not really expert. However, I did try several different songs on these earbuds and they all sounded pretty good to me. The most impressive feature on this earbud is the active noise cancellation. In order to test that out, I took them to the crowded metro and here is how it sounded. Well, this was a quick review of OnePlus Buds 3. If you want a more in-depth review of these buds, be sure to check out our website.